Hey guys, hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Tarmanjot Sidhu aka Tarman Tech, and today I am going to review MI Powerbank 3i 20,000 mAh. So without wasting any time, let's get started. This is the box of the MI Powerbank. It supports 18 watt fast charging as well as it has triple port output, dual input port which is micro USB and USB type C, and it comes with 12 layer chip protection. The other features are written on the back of the box, and the MRP on this box is around 3,500 rupees, but I have bought this power bank from Amazon. The price was around 2100 rupees. To verify if it is duplicate or not, you should always scratch this code given on the power bank and check whether it's original or duplicate checking on this website. So now let's unbox the power bank. So this is how our power bank looks, and we also get a type C cable with it. Putting it aside, so this is how our power bank looks. It is quite heavy, and the material used on this is hard plastic. It is quite solid, and it also comes with a matte finish. Talking about the weight of this power bank, it is around 463 grams, which is quite heavy. So now talking about the ports of this power bank, it has three output ports, which is two USB type A and one USB type C, which also acts as output port, and one micro USB port to charge this power bank. Moreover, you can also charge this power bank with this type C port. It takes around 6 to 7 hours to completely charge this power bank from 0 to 100%. Let's turn on this power bank. So it has 4 LEDs here, as you can see, and each one of this LED indicates around 25% of the battery. So now this power bank is fully charged. Now there are two more useful features in this power bank, so let's discuss them. First of them is the low power mode, this is given this power bank to charge different products such as our TWS or smartwatch, because it is clearly mentioned on the product that it should be charged with only 5-watt charger, or charging it with a fast charger such as 18-watt charging, it can damage the TWS. See how can we turn on low power mode on this power bank. All we have to do is press this button twice like this, and the power bank will go into low power mode. And if you have to turn off this mode, then you have to just click this button once. The second feature about this power bank is that it supports two-way charging. So now let's see this with an example. As you can see, I am charging these devices from this power bank, and on the same time I can charge this power bank using this type C or micro USB port. So this is the best feature which I like about this power bank. This is my review on the MI Powerbank 3i, and if you are planning to buy a power bank, I will definitely recommend this one. Let me know in the comment section what are your thoughts on this power bank. Until then, goodbye.